Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching Technical World. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to increase Snapchat score very fast with very simple and easy method. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, we have to launch the Snapchat app. And I'm going to show you my score. Tap on your profile icon and you will see is 499. Now go back to Snapchat, tap on this plus icon and tap multi snaps. Now you will have to take the snaps as much as you can. Now tap send and select the contacts as much as possible that you can. This is very simple and easy method to get a lot of score in Snapchat. I'm going to select the maximum numbers. Now tap send. Now force close all the apps that are running in the background, wait for few seconds, then launch Snapchat again and tap on your profile icon to get and check the Snapchat score. You see 719. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.